how, but I have access to 2 fighter jets, and we're gonna see which one of them passes out first.
I'm gonna be wide awake. I'm winning this.
Who's gonna pass out first? I'm not really sure, but I'm in a fighter jet, and that's cool. You ready for the G? Yes, sir.
All right, here we go.
Okay. Oh my God! Oh my God! We're upside down! Oh my God! You still with me? I didn't pass out. Did you pass out? You good?
If you could meet any animal on the planet, what would it be?
A cheetah, because they're fast, but they live in Africa.
I mean, that is true. We're not in Africa yet.
Africa! Go, 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 go! Was that a cheetah? Where's the cheetah? Cheetah! Hi, cheetah. Rocket one?
I might know a place. You want to go?
Yeah! Cheetahs, cheetahs! Oh my God!
I'm gonna sit here. You're all good. Just sit in here.
I love cheetahs. It's good.
Whoa. All of them? Yeah. That is. I did it. I'm not useless.
Cheers. Cheers.
I got 100 people, ages 1 to 100, and I put all of them in their own glass cubes. Last stage to leave wins $500,000.
Do whatever it takes.
I'm gonna sit here and win all the money.
What are they having for dinner?
Bologna and mustard.
Which age will come out on top?